Have you ever experienced this? You know the answer in your mind. You understand English. You practice alone. But the moment you stand in front of the people, your hands shake, your voice becomes weak, your mind suddenly goes blank, and even simple English feels difficult. Why does this happen? Because speaking English in public is not only an English problem, it is a confident problem. And today we are going to fix that together. Let me tell you something very important. You don't need perfect English to speak confidently. You only need the courage to start. In this lesson, I'll show you simple but powerful tricks that can completely change the way you speak in public. Stay with me. This lesson can help you more confident not only in English but in yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back to an EU English. I hope you are doing very well. This is our 30 days English speaking course where you will learn to speak step by step in a very simple and easy way. If you are a beginner and want to speak English confidently in daily life, this course is perfect for you. Every week we learn a new topic that will help you improve your speaking, pronunciation and confidence. So make sure you watch every lesson and practice with me. In day 13, you learned how to stop sounding robotic. And today in day 14, you will learn how to speak English confidently in front of people without fear and nervousness. This lesson is extremely important because many learners know English, but when they speak publicly, they panic, they forget words, they lose confidence, they become silent. Today we will deeply understand how nervousness becomes, how fear affects speaking, how to stay calm while speaking English, simple tricks to speak confidently, real practice methods for public speaking. This is not just an English lesson, this is a confidence transformation lesson. Now let's start today's lesson. First, understand this clearly. Feeling nervous is normal. Almost every English learner feels nervous while speaking publicly. Even fluent speakers sometimes feel nervous. So never think, I'm weak, I can't speak, I'm not intelligent. No, your brain is simply afraid of judgment. You fear making mistakes, forgetting words, being laughed at. And because of that fear, your confidence becomes weak. When you become nervous, your brain enters pressure mode, and suddenly your thoughts become slow, your speaking becomes broken, your mouth becomes dry, your heartbeat becomes fast, your confidence drops. That's why many learners say, I can speak English alone, but not in front of people. This is very common because private speaking and public speaking are different skills. Public speaking needs confidence, calmness, practice, mental control. Now listen carefully, this is the biggest mistake. Trying to speak perfectly. Many learners think, I must speak without mistakes, and because of this pressure, they stop speaking naturally. Remember this forever. Perfect English is not required. Clear communication is required. People don't expect perfection. They only want to understand you. Many learners try difficult vocabulary to sound smart, but this creates nervousness. Example, I'm extremely delighted to participate in this gathering. Simple natural English. I'm really happy to be here. Simple English is easier to remember. Simple English sounds more natural. And simple English builds confidence. Trick 1. Speak slowly. One of the biggest confidence secret is this: slow down. Nervous learners speak too fast because they panic. And when they speak too fast, they make mistakes, they lose words, they lose control. Fluent speakers speak calmly, not hurriedly. Example, instead of rushing, "Hi, I'm very happy to be here." Speak slowly. "Hi everyone, I'm really happy to be here." Slow speaking sounds more confident. Trick 2. Start with short sentences. Don't try long complicated sentences. Start simple. Examples. My name is Ali. I'm a student. I enjoy learning English. I feel nervous sometimes. Short sentences reduce pressure and confidence grows step by step. Trick 3. Use pauses naturally. Many learners think pauses are bad. No. Natural speakers also pause. Pauses help you think correctly, relax your mind, speak smoothly. Today, I want to share you something important. That small pause creates confidence and control. Trick 4. Practice self-talk daily. This is one of the most powerful methods. Talk to yourself in English every day. Morning, I'm getting ready for school. Afternoon, I'm studying now. Night, I feel tired today. Self-talk trains your brain to speak naturally. The more you speak alone, the easier public speaking becomes. Trick 5. Focus on message, not mistakes. This is very important. Stop thinking, did I use perfect grammar? Start thinking, did people understand me? Communication is the goal, not perfection. Now let's practice real situations. Classroom example, nervous version. My name is Ahmad. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad and I want to talk about my favorite hobby. Interview example, nervous version. I don't know. Better version. That's a good question. Let me think for a moment. This sounds calm and confident. Friend conversation. Sorry, my English bad. I'm still learning English, but I'm improving every day. Confidence change everything. Confidence is not only in words. Your body also speaks. Stand straight, smile naturally, make soft eye contact, relax your shoulders. These small things make you look more confident, even if you still feel nervous inside. Do this daily. Speak for 5 minutes alone. Record your voice. Read aloud slowly. Practice in front of a mirror. Learn 5 simple speaking phrases. Daily practice slowly removes fear. Now repeat after me confidently. I can speak English. I'm improving every day. Mistakes are part of learning. I'll speak confidently. Well done. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. The more you practice, the less fear controls you. And one day you will realize speaking English is no longer scary. Now listen to me carefully. Maybe today still feel you nervous. Maybe your voice still shakes. Maybe you still fear mistakes. But never forget this. Every confident speaker was once nervous too. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. Nobody becomes fearless immediately. Confidence is built slowly through practice, through mistakes, through courage. So from today, stop waiting to be perfect. Start speaking even if your voice shakes, even if your grammar is not perfect, even if you feel nervous. Because every time you speak, you become stronger. One day, the thing that scares you today will become normal for you. And that day you will proudly say, I can speak English confidently. What do you think about this video? Now write in the comments below. If this lesson helped you, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. Your fluency journey has already started, and step by step you are becoming more confident every single day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in day 15.